Download installation package from Google Drive. Install RobotSLAM server, and then RobotSLAM engine. Double-click the desktop shortcut to run software RobotSLAM engine. Click software activation, copy your machine code and send us. Then, you may get a license file. Import the license file. RobotSLAM engine will be activated. Power on the device. Connect it to computer with Ethernet cable. Go to Network and Internet Settings. Change IP address to 192.168.0.xxx. Input 192.168.0.30 in the address bar, then enter. Select the folders to process by time, copy them to computer, SSD highly recommended, with storage space more than 10 times of the raw data size. Check data in folders of calibration_camera, calibration_pp, camera, GNSS, IMU, scanner. Each file could not be 0 kilobits.